Namaste students. Students, in last class we have discussed antimeridiem, postmeridiem and difference between the find the hours between to what time to what time. So we can give in the subtraction. Okay. So now today another one concept, new concept, conversion. So we can convert it to hours to minutes. How to convert? Convert into minutes to second and convert into days to hours. So first we can find out some more information. So it means we can how to convert using that. So first we can learn to which is a bigger unit, which is a smaller unit. We have to find out. Then afterwards we can convert it to minutes and then seconds and then days, hours. Okay, look at this. So I note some I note it here. So 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, we know that. Okay, then 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, 1 month equal to 30 days. So we can totally average we can take it. So 1 day 1 month equal to 30 days. So some of the months are having 31 days, some of the month having 28 days are there. So we can use into average. So we can take the average. It is considered for 1 month equal to 30 days. So 1 week equal to 7 days. So 1 week equal to 7 days. Next one, 1 year equal to 12 months. One leap year equal to 366 days. 366 days means, so when the February month have 29 days, so every 4 year one leap year will come. So it is considered for 1 year equal to 366 days. Next, 1 year equal to 365 days. As usual we can using. Next one, quarter hour equal to, so quarter means, so it's when the minute hand moves from 12 to 3, it is means quarter hour. It means, so one, how many quarter hours in total clock? So totally 4 quarters. So we can consider for the 4 quarters. 1 quarter equal to 15 minutes. So it means quarter hour means 15 minutes. Next one, half an hour means 30 minutes. So we can using these points or note that. So using the points, and then we can let us convert it to hours to minutes, minutes to hour. So we let us convert it to minutes. The questions has to be given to hours. Let us convert it to minutes. Guruji, which is a bigger unit, which is the smaller unit, which is hour? You can look at that. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So it is hour is bigger unit. Convert it to minutes. So okay, so we can convert it hours to minutes. So bigger unit is hour, the smaller unit is minutes. So let us convert it hour to minutes, hour to minutes. So we can using bigger unit to smaller unit. Let us we can using multiplication. We can using multiplication. How much multiply, Guru? How much multiply? So we should multiply 1 hour equal to how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So here look at that, 60 minutes. So we should multiply 60, we get minutes. Guruji, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hour equal to how many minutes? 2 into 60, 120 minutes. So look at this type of we can solve the questions. So okay, let us one problem solve that. Okay, example. First one, 4 hours. 4 hours. So let us. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Let us find out 4 hours. 4 hour equal to. Okay. So first number of hours. Number of hours into 4. It is the number of hours means 4. Then how 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. We should multiply 60. So let us multiply 60 into 4. 4 0 the 0, 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. The answer is 240. 240 minutes. This is the answer. So I hope all of you understand. So 4 hours equal. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then so 4 hours equal to 4 into 60 minutes, 24. So we get the answer is 60 into 4. We get 240 minutes. Now let us another one question taken. Second one question, 12 hours. 12 hours. So let us find out the answer. Okay. So now 1 hour equal to, we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Oh, we should find out 12 hours. How it is find out? 12 hours means, so it is number of hours how many? 12 into. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes? We should multiply 60 minutes. ಗುರುಜಿ 60 ಯಾಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes ಇದೆ. ಹಂಗ 12 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 60 into 12. 2 0 the 0, 2 6 12 plus 1 0 the 0, 1 6 6, 0 2 7. So what is that answer? 720. 720 minutes. 720 minutes. This is called as hours to, so convert it to hours to minutes. Hours to, we should find out, convert into minutes is giving on that, convert into minutes. This is called as convert into minutes. Convert into minutes. So now let us one more example, last one example. So you have to write this in the CW. Okay, now let us find out that answer. So 4 hours 98 minutes. 4 hours 98 minutes. First we can convert 4 hours into minutes, and then so we can get the sum of the minutes. Remaining minutes we can adding that. So okay, so we can get the minutes 4 hours. So we can, remaining minutes has to be adding to the minutes. Okay, first 4 hours. 4 hours equal to, okay, let us find out that. Wait, we can find out 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Next, 4 hour equal to 4 into 60 minutes. 4 into 60 minutes. Now, so 4 into 60, 60 into 4. What is the answer? 0, 240 minutes. 240 minutes. So we get 4 hour equal to 240 minutes. Remaining minutes, what is that remaining minutes? 98 minutes we can adding. So adding to the tens place and ones place. Okay, don't add in the 100 place. Okay, it is in 2 digit number, we adding in the tens place and ones place. So now 0 plus 8, 8. So 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry, 338 minutes. 338 minutes. Some of the questions has to be 5 hours 56 minutes, 2 hour 96 minutes. Some of the questions has to be given. Okay, so we can find out first 2 hours has to be converted to minutes, and then remaining minutes. What is the remaining minutes in the question having? So 98 minutes, that has to be adding to the number. So we get the answer. So look at this. It is another one question. One day 7 hours. One day 7 minutes. So these completely converted to minutes. First, day has to be converted to hours. Okay, and then adding the hours we get the total hours. Okay, that hours has to be converted to minutes. Keep in mind. So first, one day equal to how many hours? One day equal to 24 hours. Then so we should add 7 hours again, because we can, it is remaining hours. So we get 31 hours. 31 hours. Now 31 hours, let us convert it to minutes. So we can, so we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, we should find out 31 hour equal to 31 number of hours into 60. What is get? What we get answer? 31 into 60. So 0 1 the 0, 0 3 the 0, plus 6 1 the 6, 6 3 the 18, 0 6 8 1 0. So we should find out 1860. 1860 minutes. So this is the for converted into minutes. So okay, now let us go for another one concept, converted into seconds. So here the questions has to be given to minutes, we can convert it to seconds. Minutes is bigger unit, small convert it to smaller unit, that is seconds. We can using also multiplication. So how much multiply? 61 minute equal to 60 seconds. Let us find out minute equal to minute to seconds. Minute to seconds. We should multiply because bigger unit minutes. We can convert it to seconds. So how much multiply? 60. Okay. Now taken the first one question. Okay. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay. We should find out 7 minutes. 7 into 60 seconds. Okay, what is the 763? 60 into 7. 7 0 the 0, 7 6 of 42. The answer is 420 seconds. 420 seconds. Okay, now I will go for second one question. 8 minutes 36 seconds. Okay, same the question. Last weekend, previous question, same we can adding using that. We can using here same. Okay, so now let us convert it to 1 minute equal to how many minutes? How many seconds? 60 seconds. So let us find out 8 minutes equal to 8 minutes equal to 8 into 60 seconds. Okay, so what is that answer? 60 into 8. So now 8 0 to 0, 8 6 of 48. So we get 480 seconds. Then again remaining seconds are there. So we should add. We should add 60. Sorry, 36. We adding 36 seconds. 6, 11, 1 carry, 516 seconds. 516 seconds. Look at this. So we should find out first 8 minutes, how many seconds are there? 8 minutes equal to 8 into 60 seconds. So now, so we get 480 seconds. Remaining 36 seconds are there. We can add. Okay. So let us last one question I will solve. Same this type of questions. Third one. Okay. So now, 9 minutes 25 seconds. 9 minutes 25 seconds. So we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. We should find out 9 minutes. So 9 into 60 seconds. So what is it? 9 into 60? 9 6 of 54. So answer is 540 seconds. 540 seconds. Again remaining minutes seconds has to be adding. So what is that? 25 seconds add. Because it is already in the question. So okay, now 5 plus 0, 5. So 4 plus 2, 6, 565 seconds. 565 seconds. This is the answer. So this type of questions you have to solve it in the textbook. So it is in the page number exercise 9C. So fourth main. Okay. So this type of questions you have to solve. So I hope all of you understand that. So we can convert it to minutes into seconds. So this is we should multiply 60 and then the remaining seconds or remaining minutes are there we can add. So that is the concept. Okay. Now let us go for the another one. Okay. Look at the board. Convert into days. Convert into days. So how to convert? When the question has to be given into weeks to days, we should multiply 7. When month has to be converted to days, we should multiply 30. So, Guruji, why we have to multiply? we can do for addition, we can do for subtraction, we can do for division is not there. So we can here, so we can always we can convert it to bigger unit to smaller unit, we can using to multiplication. So Guruji, 1 month equal to 30 days, 2 month equal to 60 days. So okay, we should add, so we can use into repeated addition is the multiplication, but we can addition is slowly we can find out the answer, but in the multiplication we should multiply directly, so we get the answer is so suddenly we can get the answer. So okay, so that's why we can using the multiplication. So here when the using the small bigger unit to smaller unit, we can use to multiplication. When week to days, week to days, so we should multiply. So it is multiplication symbol. So multiply by 7. So here when we converted month to days, months to days, we multiply 30. Okay, one example I will give that. Okay, 14 weeks. 14 weeks. So we should find out the days. So 1 week equal to how many days? 1 week equal to 7 days. So we have to find out 14 weeks. 14 weeks. So we should multiply 14 into 7. 14 into 7 days. 14 7 the 14 into 7. 7 for the 28. 2 carry. 4 7 of the 7. 7 plus 2 9. 98 days. Approximate it is 3 months. Approximate it is through 3 months. Okay, so this is the 14 weeks. Let us go for month. Second one example. Okay, 11 months. 11 months, how to convert it days? So let us find out. 1 month equal to 30 days. So let us find out the 11 months. 11 months equal to 11 months equal to, so 11 into number of months into number of days. 1 month we can, so 11 into 30, 0, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, so 330 days. This is the answer. How to convert it into days? When the given weeks has to be given, we should multiply 7. When the months has to be given, we should multiply 30. Okay, because we have to find out bigger unit to smaller unit, we can use into the multiplication. Okay, so now today's concept we have to understand. Okay, what about given? So today we can use into the conversion concept, convert into minutes, convert into seconds, convert into what? Convert into days. Now after next class I will introduce convert into days and using the calendar, and we can find out the calendar. So we can use the calendar, how many how many months are there, how many uh, so we can find out then which is the last month of the week, which is how many weeks are in 1 year. So 1 year equal to how many weeks? 1 year equal to 52 weeks are there. Okay, so we can learn these concepts in the, we can use into the calendar. Okay students, so your homework is today first one, so exercise 9c, first main, third main and fourth main. First main, third main and fourth main. Okay, okay students, I hope all of you understand the class. Okay students, धन्यवाद.